how to draw a symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw some snowflakes. Let's start off by drawing a long vertical line and two angled lines that meet in the middle like this. This will be the base shape for all of our snowflakes. For this first snowflake, add a small V shape pointing out from in between each line. And on the long line, draw 4 lines going outward like branches on a tree. Do this on each of the lines going all the way around. This will be your first snowflake. Did you know that every snowflake is unique? No two snowflakes are ever exactly the same. For the next snowflake, let's start it off with the same 3 lines for the base shape. Then, draw some bigger V shapes pointing outward like before. And across each end, draw a wide U shape like so to finish off the second snowflake. Make sure to experiment with different shapes to make your own unique snowflake. For this last snowflake, start with the 3 lines for the base shape. Some pointier V shapes going outward, some wide V shapes branching out, and some small U shapes above those to finish off this last snowflake. And now you've got some snowflakes. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.